Hi folks, and welcome to the exam guidance for LAWS 61601. So this is going to be your sort of guidance of how to approach the exam in April. The exam comes in two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A looks at Semester 1 and Part B looks at Semester 2. You answer one question from four options in Part A and two questions from Part B. So, you've got three questions in total, and please make sure you answer three questions in total. The areas that you need to focus on, for Part A, you'll have an option from which you'll choose one. These will be, there'll be an option on David Garland and the theme of welfare and punishment. You can focus on this chapter in the Oxford Handbook for Criminology. Focus on that chapter there and provide a critical analysis of that chapter. There'll be a question about how the police have to meet changes brought about by advances in digital technology. There will be a question on the Forensic Science Service and the use and the controversy over the use of forensic science in the criminal justice system. And finally, there'll be a question about the Independent Office for Police Conduct, which replaced the IPCC. You will need to focus on the changes and the reasons why this new office came about. So you choose one of those. For Part B, you're going to choose two from the following subjects. Firstly, prison riots, which we've covered extensively in the workshops. Secondly, the probation service, the controversy around transforming rehabilitation and the rehabilitation companies. Again, another subject we've looked at recently in the workshops. There's going to be a question about the young offenders, youth, estate, problems there. And finally, you'll have a question on the parole board in the light of recent developments about the transparency of the parole board. So there's four options in Part B. You need to choose two of them. Some general tips. Please read the exam guidance, of which this contains the subject matter I've just discussed. And the exam guidance also provides you with like a criteria against which your work will be marked. I've also put on there the actual marking criteria. So it'll explain to you the difference between what is a first, what is a 2-1 and what is a 2-2. Please go and have a look at that and try to align your revision and to take that into consideration. I've put an article on there, a PDF, which gives detailed guidance on how to approach exam questions, essay type exam questions under exam conditions. You will be sitting your exam in a IT lab and you'll be typing them out on Blackboard in the Blackboard boxes. So as we've done with the workshops and with the formative assessments, you'll be doing it in a similar manner on Blackboard. Further tips, please go to the academic opinion slot on Blackboard and look through the journal articles and PDFs that I've put onto Blackboard for you. You need to get good marks by using the academic opinion. It's not really what you know, it's how you can use the academics to weave them into the structure of your answer to gain good marks. Also, primary documents such as government publications from the Howard League of Penal Reform and the Prison Reform Trust, as well as references from this book here. So just to conclude really, I think you'll find everything you need on Blackboard in the different sections. Please make the most of the academic opinion and please make the most of the exam guidance. And good luck with your revision and your revision plans.